Hello children, welcome to grade 5 English. Today our topic model auxiliaries. Children, look at this board. Raj can paint. Raj can paint. Darun cannot swim. Darun cannot swim. Rita should do her homework. Rita should do her homework. Kiran should not play with matchbox. Kiran should not play with matchbox. Children, the sentence can and then cannot, should not are called modal auxiliaries. Can, cannot, should not called modal auxiliaries. Children, they are helping verbs. They are helping verbs and are used along with main verbs. Along with main verb to convey meaning for special purpose. Okay. Children, can used to show someone's ability. Okay, can be used to show someone's ability. Look at this. Raj can paint. Okay, so he can do. Okay, it's ability. So Raj can paint. Can used for ability. And then next sentence, Darun cannot swim. Darun cannot swim. Okay, here also shows disability. Okay, so can, ability, cannot means it's negative. Okay, so can and cannot used for ability. Children, we can also use to show the possibility of something. Okay, so we can also use can. We can also use can to show the possibility of something. Look at the board. We can go for picnic in March. Possibility. Okay, we can go or not. Okay, it's a possibility only. Okay, so we can go for the picnic in March. Then cannot Darun help Raj with his homework? Okay, so listen children. So we can also use can to show the possibility of something. Children, can is used to make a request and then grant permission and then offer help. Okay, so we can use this purpose also. Look at the sentences. Can I stay? Can I stay up a little longer? In this sentence, can used to ask request. Okay, so here can used to ask request. Okay, look at the next sentence. Yes, you can stay up a little longer. Here we used can for giving permission. Okay, the last sentence, can I help you with the suitcase? In this sentence we used for offering help. Okay. Children, let's see our book exercise. Take the correct option. Look at the first one. Helen can or cannot we are going to use. Go to school, she is ill. Helen is ill, so he cannot go to school. So the answer is cannot. Look at the second one. You can or cannot leave the door open, it's unsafe. You cannot leave the door open, so the answer is cannot. So you cannot leave the door open, it's unsafe. Look at the third one. We can or cannot go for the play after we finish our homework. So the answer is K. We can go for the play after we finish our homework. So the answer is can. The next one, can or cannot you go to the party with me? I don't know anyone there. The answer is can. Yeah, can you go to the party with me? I don't know. No anyone there. So the answer is can. Children, complete the sentence with should or should not. Kevin does eat too many chips. It will ruin his appetite. Here, Kevin should not eat. Shouldn't. Okay. SKHOULD. Shouldn't. Shouldn't. Okay. Shouldn't eat too many chips. Nina does miss classes like this. She will not learn anything this way. Nina shouldn't miss classes. Shouldn't. SKHOULDN'. Shouldn't miss classes like this. She will not learn anything this way. The next one, I think we dash learn a new language. It's very useful. I think we should learn. We should. SKHOULD. We should learn a new language. The next sentence, we dash start practicing for the school annual day. We don't have much time. We should start practice. We should. SKHOULD. We should practicing. Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.